One, two, three. Good evening, fellow citizens. Welcome to the De-Dollarization series today. Sir, how do you see the US warships moving to the west of Asia?
Yeah, good evening to all. Actually, before a week or so, situation of Iran was very grave. Public hanging of daily 600 youth were taking place. More than 3,000 people have lost their lives. The number could be higher. After that, Trump realized that it's extremely wrong, the hanging. So he requested Ayatollah Khomeini that no more hanging and we will not instigate any people now. So after that, there is a peace in Iran. But again, after a week or so, USA started moving warships in that area. US is not able to do any full-fledged war on Iran because they are financially ruined. They are not able to lift the president the way they lifted in Venezuela because Iran is a different set of conditions. A lot of religious people and army people supporting Mr. Ayatollah Khamenei. So they will have to do a different type of operation. It may take some time. Let us see what happens.
Okay, sir. Sir, what is the significance of elections in Japan?
Yeah, in last 3 months, already two presidents in Japan have resigned. Parliament is also dissolved. So elections are declared in February. New president will be elected. The financial condition of Japan is worsening. They are holding maximum percentage of US treasury. India and China has already sold part of their holding and converted into gold and silver. So Japan is under pressure, their own financial pressure as well as pressure from deep state to sell their part of US treasury. The signal of deep state is yet to be received. Once the signal is received, they will start selling. Once they start selling, there will be havoc in economy of the world because US treasury is the only treasure US is having against the 37 trillion debt. If that is sold out, US will have nothing to show up. So the condition of US finances and the world finances will be very, very serious once Japan starts selling in quantity. Let us see when it happens.
Sir, what is your update on the Taiwan situation?
Yeah, it seems that Taiwan will be taken over by China without any resistance from US, India, or Russia. Already, US has started taking the technology of semiconductor and semiconductor plants from Taiwan to US. India, through Tata, was also established the Taiwan Technology Semiconductor Plant in Ahmedabad, near Ahmedabad. So once this operation is over, then China will be free to take over Taiwan. So it's a part of de-dollarization script. Similarly, in future, India will be taking over Pakistan occupied Kashmir, POK.
Okay, sir. Any more updates about the MBZ visit to India?
Yeah, it was less than 2 hours visit, and lot of defense understanding and MOUs have been signed. Actually, the biggest breakthrough of this visit is that UAE and India have decided to share the defense equipments. As a part of that, US has bought about 84 Rafale aircrafts. Even the Indian aircrafts were fueled mid-air by UAE. So there is a lot of understanding. Our Prime Minister Modi sir is considering UAE President MBZ and Saudi Arabia President MBS as their brothers. So a lot of cooperation is taking place within our neighbors, and India is going stronger and stronger. This type of sharing reduces the defense expenditure to a great extent.
Recently, India floated the Responsible Nation Index. What are the highlights?
Actually, so far, the institutions formed by US and its allies have been ranking the world over various parameters. India has always objected because they were biased. So now, since India has become stronger in the world scenario, India has first time floated an index, Responsible Nation Index. They also started giving ranking. Singapore is given number 1 ranking. India itself has given itself number 16 ranking, and the US has been given about 52 ranking. So it's a very good initiative, and slowly we will find many index being floated by India, and they will be recognized by the rest of the world, because India itself is very responsible in doing whatever it does.
Sir, recently, Poland has ordered 150 metric tons of gold. Is it not late?
Extremely late. Actually, India has already stored 880 tons of gold, our reserve bank. Our public and temples unofficially are holding about 75,000 of gold. This is the unofficial figure, but based on the estimates available. So, because dollar is losing its sin, stock markets are not bullish. There is nothing to invest in the world, and the gold and silver were suppressed for decades together. There is a heavy investment in gold, silver by world central bank and world operators. So actually, Poland is extremely late.
Okay. Sir, what do you think about the updates on the trade deals with Europe?
Actually, on day after tomorrow, on 26th January, on our Republic Day, the chief guest is EU, European Union chairperson. On next day, on 27th, she will be signing a trade deal on behalf of EU. This deal is known as mother of all deals, because India and EU are holding maximum financial significance these days. And if a deal is signed between these two countries, it will be known as mother of all these. EU contains so many countries, so at a stage, so many countries will be allied with India in financial terms. It will be a great initiative taken by India.
Okay. Sir, last but not the least, what is the oil situation in Venezuela?
Actually, Venezuela oil and other minerals were estimated to be very high. But the president of Venezuela had manipulated it. American companies were asked by Trump to go to Venezuela for mining, but most of the countries have refused, because they have realized that the mineral level is extremely low as compared to what was claimed. But oil drilling has been started. So the India will be receiving the oil shortly. Even Reliance will be receiving the oil shortly. So China will not receive, because that part of the US strategy. But to be noted that the total mining has not started in Venezuela as expected, and US seems to have miscalculated that. This is likely.
Thank you, sir.
So nice of you. Thank you. If you like the channel, kindly subscribe it and share it with your near and dears. Thank you so much. So nice of you.